Keto Cranberry Sauce, a burst of flavor without the guilt. Cranberry sauce is a beloved Thanksgiving and holiday staple, known for its sweet and tart flavor that perfectly complements roasted turkey and other festive dishes. However, traditional cranberry sauce recipes are typically loaded with sugar, making it a no-go for those following a ketogenic diet. But fear not, because in the world of keto, there's a solution for almost everything, and keto cranberry sauce is no exception. The benefits of keto cranberry sauce. Keto cranberry sauce offers a multitude of benefits for those who are watching their carb intake while still craving the flavors of the holiday season. 1. Low in carbs. Traditional cranberry sauce is loaded with sugar, but keto cranberry sauce is made with low-carb sweeteners like erythritol or stevia, significantly reducing the carb content. 2. Antioxidant powerhouse. Cranberries are rich in antioxidants, which can help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Keto cranberry sauce retains the health benefits of cranberries without the added sugars. 3. Maintains blood sugar levels. By using keto-friendly sweeteners, this sauce won't cause the spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels associated with traditional cranberry sauce. It's a great option for those with diabetes or those looking to maintain stable energy levels. 4. Delicious flavor. The flavor of keto cranberry sauce is remarkably close to the traditional version, so you won't miss out on that satisfying combination of sweet and tangy. Ingredients for keto cranberry sauce. 1. Fresh cranberries. Start with 1 bag, about 12 ounces, of fresh cranberries. These little red gems are the stars of the show, providing that signature cranberry flavor. 2. Low-carb sweetener. Instead of sugar, you'll use a keto-friendly sweetener. Erythritol and stevia are excellent choices. They provide sweetness without the carbs or the blood sugar spikes. 3. Water. You'll need water to help cook down the cranberries and create the sauce's desired consistency. 4. Orange zest and juice. Optional. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding the zest and juice of an orange. The citrusy notes complement the cranberries beautifully. 5. Cinnamon. Optional. A dash of cinnamon can add warmth and depth to your keto cranberry sauce. A simple recipe for keto cranberry sauce. Ingredients. 1 bag, 12 ounces, fresh cranberries. 1 cup water. 1 cup erythritol. Adjust to taste zest and juice of 1 orange. Optional. ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon. Optional. Instructions. 1. Rinse the fresh cranberries thoroughly and set them aside. 2. In a saucepan, combine the water and erythritol over medium heat. Stir until the sweetener is completely dissolved. 3. Add the fresh cranberries to the saucepan and, if desired, the orange zest, orange juice, and ground cinnamon. 4. Cook the mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally. The cranberries will start to pop and break down as they cook. Continue to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the sauce reaches your desired thickness. 5. Once the sauce is ready, remove it from heat and let it cool. It will thicken further as it cools. 6. Transfer your keto cranberry sauce to a serving dish and refrigerate until it's time to serve.